So, we're here at... We're here at Bridgetown. We just had some errands and then Butching request.
Let's go to the trampoline park!
Yeah. It's a nice place. See, she's so happy. So, we're gonna go there.
Oh!
Dun oh. Diyan sa pink na yan.
Can't wait!
She's so happy. Super happy. Apo. And then there's, what's
The
that?
basketball
It's not basketball, it's football.
Oh, it's football.
Mm.
I thought it's basketball. So, Mama.
She wants to try the obstacles here, but I don't know if it's open for everybody eh.
Oh, look, it's open.
We'll see.
Yeah, see?
Okay, it's here.
I want ng bata.
So where are we
Obstacles,
going to?
The trampoline first.
Where are you gonna go?
The trampoline.
Let's check where are we going to play. Sakit pa ako. My right foot is aching because I wore a wrong pair of socks. I think it's painful. I did wear a normal socks. I don't know. Galit siya. Ano ka ba? Look guys. Ang ganda oh. Ang sarap mag-training dito. Oh my God.
Ano sarap? Kakain mo?
Baliw ka. Nakasar mo ako. Ang ganda oh. Ang saya.
Okay.
Ah, here. It's nice.
Yes, nice.
Ang ganda oh. Love it. Oh my God. I love that. Oh my jeez.
There's a monkey bar.
Oh yeah. There's a dog. There's a cute dog.
Yeah! With her
Saan na
owner.
yan? Yeah.
Dito.
I don't know, you can try. But I cannot do it because I don't have I don't have to, what do you call it?
Sasabi tayo.
Ah, may park rates pala eh. Here oh. Oh,
100 pesos.
100 pesos.
Oh, hindi na tayo.
Day pass. I think we need to do it next time or tomorrow.
That you always love.
You know, paltos, malala. Hindi muna makakapag-join dito sa obstacle keme. Pero ang ganda kasi talaga dito.
So,
Dahil hindi pa nagbe-breakfast si Rain, si Butching, at ako, ganito itsura ko. Gusto kong samahan siya. And gusto ko talaga rin itry ito. It's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. baby, so we can still go back. Diba? Aray! Masakit talaga ng baltos ko. Sakit na eh. Ayan na. And the stores here, I don't know if they're all open ah.
Mom, do you see? Oh, no.
Oh, see? It's not yet open. Let's go there. Ikot tayo. So we can check. Dito, baby. Ikot. Ouch! It's painful, anak. Ganun paltos. It's close pa. Tara. May alam pa akong isa. This is where we do joggings and runs with my brother, Tito Tom, no? Night run kami dito. Kasi ang lawak ko, super lawak talaga. Ang ganda pa ng lugar. Okay, so ang gagawin namin today, what are we going to do? Hanap muna tayo ng kakainan. Okay ba? Ha? Oh, you do your vlog takeover. Ay ka mag-vlog. The Victor statue. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-jogging at pag-obstacle ng ganito ang sapatos ko.
Mommy,
Hindi talaga.
kung napunta kami ni Mama dito, kasama si ate, sabi ni ate, natakot siya. Ano
Bakit?
kung huhulog niya ito?
Mahulog daw yan.
Kung one tap, huhulog.
Lima.
Sabi ni Mama, ate ka talaga.
Ay,
Pwede na ako roller skates, pwede tayo magano?
You want to take a picture there, in front of the statue?
No.
Doon sa baba ka lang, hindi ka aakyat. Bawal umakyat doon. Bawal, nag-aayos sila, hindi sila nagpapapic. Ano, you want? Take picture kita, dali. Para may remembrance ka. Ang ganda niya ni Victory, nag-iilaw yan eh. May ilaw
nakita
yan.
ko yan sa kagabi. Kasama na si Ate. Tapos mama.
Up there, we're gonna have pictures muna with Victor.
What do you mean up there?
No. We're gonna cross over the bridge. Okay, and the other part. May picture na kita. May picture ko ng Bocheng Cheng. O, dun ka. Come here. Hindi, diyan ka lang sa gitna. O, here. Dali, takbo ka na doon. Picture lang kita. Yan, o. Face, mami. 1, 2, 3. One more. Oh, ang ganda naman yan. Kaganda naman, oh. Hindi ka magaan. Ganda, oh. Wow. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Alright, good job. Hindi na. Hindi, masaya na siya.
Patingin.
Ay, mamaya na. Nag-video pa ako. Halika na. Let's go here. Ay, saan ba tayo? Dahil tayo dito sa kabila. Okay. Ang sakit talaga ng paltos ko. Kaya nakaibang maririnig dito sa video na to kung hindi masakit yung paltos ko. Ouchie! So painful. So painful. The paltos. Here. Ika na ako. Tara, cross tayo ng bridge. Oh. We're gonna cross the bridge so we can find some restaurants. Or some place we can eat. Kasi we did not have breakfast yet. Ang ganda naman ng babaeng ito. Biching. Sobrang ganda. Patingin nga ng ganda yan. Wow! Ganda talaga, oh. Sobrang Latina. Yan, Latina. Maganda yan. Yeah, it's a bridge.
Oh, so high.
It looks like a dragon. Here ka sa... Huwag ka dyan. Don't be afraid, mommy's here. So here's the bridge of the bridge town. It's kind of cloudy. I think it's gonna rain. That's why we have our umbrella with us.
I'm scared, Mom.
Sila, baby ko. Yeah.
I'm scared, Mommy.
I'm holding you. Don't be scared. It's the river.
Don't drop your phone.
I won't. I'm not gonna drop it.
Mommy, oh!
What? Ano yun? Ikaw nakakagulat. Ano ba yun?
Look, may one boat, oh.
Oh, may boat talaga dyan. Dito kami nagja-jog. Diyan balik-balik kami ni Tito Tom pag ganun-ganon kami. So you remember the time, ha? Kasi
Hey, what was that? Just blew my head.
it's a bird.
That's not kind of bird. That's a bat.
Is it a bat?
Yeah.
Wow. Ah,
Oh yeah, it's a bird.
arte mo.
It's really bird. A really bird.
What?
Oh, it's not a really bird.
A really bird? Is there a not really bird?
Oh my god. The birds are so cute. I want to see.
Oh, may tao na pala sa taas eh. Can we enter na ba? Upstairs?
Mommy, it smells so good.
We'll see nga if we can go na. We can enter the mall. You want KFC? Kain tayo KFC. Chicken?
Bawal ako ng chicken, di ba?
O may iba naman dun eh. O, tawid tayo.
Let's have sausage.
Tachi. Maganda na din to. Mamaya na lang ako magja-jogging pag-uwi. Yeah. My little Bosheng is hungry. Are you hungry na, baby?
I'm full.
Apa.
Mommy, Tokyo.
You want there?
Yeah?
Diyan na lang tayo? Sige. Ayaw mo sa KFC?
Ayoko nga.
Okay. Tokyo daw kami. I hope less people lang. Tokyo. Let's go. Up, yeah. Find the seat mo. Dito na lang tayo. Palinis na lang. Ako na mag-order for you.
Yeah, I can see the set.
Pardon?
Ako dito, Mom.
Oh. Ay, sige po. Hotspot.
Saan yung hotspot?
What? Are you close your eyes, ha? Oh, open. That's so cute. So cute, right? You like it? Mamaya nakakainin na.
Wait.
What?
Ano to ulit?
Dark chocolate mousse.
I never tried this before. It's my first time to try it. Dito na lang.
Go to the washroom.
Okay.
Matutun ba? Oo, matutun ba?
I didn't like the move.
Okay, wait for me. Ay, yung bag natin.
That's just on my screen. Oh my god, my mom just gets
Ang payong natin. Yes, susubuan kita mamaya.
Ha?
Susubuan kita mamaya.
Yeah.
Eh, kasi hindi, yun, pwede yun sa'yo. Hindi yun balansa.
There's a moose. Oh, cute. I want a container. Wait, there's some chocolate.
Later na, hindi mo matapos ang kain mo kapag kinain mo agad siya. Dessert ka na.
No. No, I was just asking. How long? How long is the food just?
15 minutes po.
15 minutes.
One side, one side.
No, sulo.
Good, yum, yum.
Oh, hindi ko na-try to.
Not yet.
Ano dito?
Dadalagayan? It has cake at the bottom. And then no.
Let me see the bottom.
Okay, I think I have.
Pwede ba?
You get your ano na.
Spoon na?
Spoon and fork. Picture kita. Washing one. Picture your face, mommy. And more.
This looks like our bowl. This looks like our bowl.
Wait. This is my favorite. The miso soup.
Oh, pray muna. Mom, you have to pray.
I'm sorry.
Others are always here. As us ordered sa game, by receiving by the sin. Oh my gosh. Ton of eggs.
Okay. Wait me up here.
I want some egg. Dati pa bawal ako na pwede ba? So, it's good.
Vlog ka lang. Kuha ko water.
Ayoko nila.
If you don't like, okay na. Game mo kay mami. Gusto mo ba? Yun. Sarap. Guys, ang next stop naman namin ni Butching ay attend kami ng solidarity meeting ng mga NCR coaches. And I am super late. Super late talaga. Here at Trinoma, Manam. Una yung call time bell. Magto 2:30 na. Diyos ko. Okay, antay lang namin yung ano, yung Grab. I'll see you later guys. Bye. Picture. 1, 2, 3. Hindi nakita yung mukha mo. Hindi nakaharap yan. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Happy?
It's so cute. My body will be like.
So, tapos na kami sa meeting, guys. At dito kami.
Tanggal yung ears niya. Ako nakakain ko na.
Sige na, you can eat that. Ay, Zen! You can, Zen.
Saan si Tito Pinagin?
Sige na.
Can you help?
Ako pa nga ang pinatulong.
Guys, this is good.
Ang tamis.
It dissolves in your mouth.
Akin lang yan. Sa'yo mo na yung bigger one. Ayoko naman ano. Ayoko masyado tamis.
Hey! Ito yun. Itong bunny. Hawakan mo mo.
Tamis?
Itong bunny na tanggal yung ears. Ayan, look at
Oh, yung basura.
this.
Noon.
Wow, it's spinning. See?
Sobrang tamis. Ayan na. Careful. Come on. Ay, tsura ng bunny mo. Na-dislocate na.
Sana yung ano?
Wala na. Yung bunny mo parang may sakit.
Grabe, meron lang.
Ang
Good
kulit.
candy.
Yung itsura ng bunny niya parang nagtampo. Ang kulit ng bunny. Happy naman siya dyan. Strike a pose, pose ka, pose. Everything. Woo! Good job. faster! Dali! Dali! 4, may time pa, may time pa! Bilis! Bilisan mo, may time pa! Wala na. Wala na. Good job. Okay na.